We caught 16 pink salmon right here at the pier, guys.
We got one. Hindi, okay na yan. Ay, hindi, wag. Wag.
While we were fishing, more boats came by, and they caught plenty of pink salmon too.
Hina, careful. Careful, Jar. Hey, who got that? Who got that, Jar? Ah, you got it, Renan? Mommy, come on. Mommy. Come on. Get your bag. Get your bag. Wait. Somebody coming. Oh. Yeah, hold it.
I was the runner, guys. Straight into the ice cooler to keep our salmon fresh. Ha 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 ha.
Bossing, guyura din eh.
Oh, so big. Wow. Kunin mo yung bag mo, te. Wow, yeah. Okay. Careful. It's a hook, JR.
What kind of salmon is that? Oh, poor one.
Not pink salmon. Yeah, put it here.
We caught some red crabs too.
It's a red crab.
A few moments later.
Bukas naman, dami na yan eh.
Puro mga Tagalog yung mga tao. Hindi puro
Tagalog, mga tagahatan eh.
Kapoy, Tagalog.
Kuha namin yan, Char. Kaso inulan yung camping namin eh.
Sa TikTok ba yan? Sa TikTok.
Hindi, sa reels lang. Kinelaw na, anong isda na? Halibut. Mani halibut guys, gamay lang na pero garing gikilaw daghan dako kay na. Nani magcamping giwan pagud mi da tagam. Expert yan sa kilaw eh. Oo, basta.
Maraming ginger nilagay ko at saka yun.
Oo, yun talaga.
Kaya pala may lasa.
Naunta guys.
Kasi kung wala lang.
Maalat na siya.
Wala, hindi mo na kailangan, di ba? Okay.
Yan, may sabaw din kami. Bangra din kami kuha.
Abbotsford.
Steam salmon.
Lagyan ng lemon at saka may butter.
May lemon ata si Ronald doon, bossing.
Lemon and butter.
Nakaluto na kami.
Ito na, bumuka na.
Oo nga itag kita
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.